Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be like very random. I have so much, like the pile that's in front of me, I'm gonna show you in a second, but this pile is insane. I'm going on vacation in like 4 days. My vacation is not gonna be like a weekend trip. It's gonna be like almost 2 weeks long. So I have a lot of stuff and I'm not about to take like a really huge suitcase. I'm taking my carry-on because I'm not taking a big suitcase. I don't have one. So I'm gonna have to make everything fit into my little carry-on. I've done it before, you guys. I've done it before and it's worked. I just really have to think about what I'm gonna be wearing. And I have so much stuff. I have my rosé here. This has been a very long, frustrating week, you guys. It's been insane. I've had the worst couple of days. It's insane, and eventually I'll be able to tell you guys about it because I do want to. But for today, we're just gonna pack and we're going to sip on some rosé and just forget about the past couple of days. Let me show you guys the pile that's in front of me because this is like, I don't know how I'm gonna pack all of this in there, but I'm gonna figure it out. Look at this freaking pile. It may not seem like a lot, but it's like a lot of stuff on top of each other. I have jeans, obviously. I have shoes, I have loungewear, I have active wear, I have going out clothes, chill clothes, and this set needs to go too, so I need to take this off. So the first thing, if you guys don't have these, you guys need these because these have saved my life and helped me from overpacking. And I have a system, so a lot of you probably have already seen these. They're like packing cubes, and I got these from Amazon maybe like 2 years ago or maybe even 3 years ago because I definitely needed it. I hate packing my stuff into a suitcase just loosely. I'm the type of person that wants to have everything kind of just like in its own place. These actually fit perfectly in your carry-on. It's a set and it comes with this really big one that actually has like straps so that you can kind of strap everything in and make sure that nothing falls out. This one's really great. Then it comes with 2 smaller sizes. It comes with this smaller one, which you can see side by side. It's a little bit smaller than this one, and then it comes with this one that doesn't have the mesh in it. Like, it doesn't have mesh in the front. It's definitely smaller. And then it also comes with this little like pouch that I actually use for like my underwear. Like if I'm going on a trip and I have any of like my underwear or socks or anything that's dirty and there's no like laundry for me to do my laundry, then I will put everything in here so that it stays separate from everything else that I have, especially all my clean stuff. And then this I use for my shoes, and honestly I feel like this is perfect for the type of place that I'm going to because like I told you guys before in my vacation haul, I'm going to somewhere very hot and tropical. I'm going to the Caribbean, so I love this. I think it's perfect for that type of vacation because, well, for girls, because we tend to wear a lot of just sandals, and the last time that I went, I put all of my sandals in here and they fit perfectly. So every packing cube has its purpose. So this big one is gonna be for like sets, like tops. Is it? What do I want to do here? Okay, so this big one is gonna be for jeans and anything else that fits in here because my jeans tend to take up the most space. I'm not taking that many, but they end up taking the most space. This one is gonna be for everything else that I wear or that I'm gonna wear during the daytime, so like cute tops, dresses, anything like that. This one is going to be for either my loungewear or what I'm gonna wear to go to sleep, and my underwear and stuff like that. And then obviously this is gonna be for my shoes. Let me start off with the big one and get this out of the way. Whenever I travel, I like to wear jeans because, well, it's not that I like to wear or that I prefer wearing jeans, but if I am going somewhere where I need a lot more space in my suitcase, then I'm gonna be wearing my jeans because they take up the most space. And then I'm also going to be wearing my sneakers that I'm going to be wearing over there. I'm taking just a pair of white jeans. These are my Levi's wedgie fit, and I'm going to be taking my wide leg Zara jeans. So these are going to go in here, and I told you guys, like, my jeans take up the most space because I always end up bringing like boyfriend jeans or wide leg jeans, but I'm going to fold these over. And what I like to do is the Marie Kondo method, where she kind of just rolls up her clothes, because that's the best way that I found that all of my stuff ends up fitting in the carry-on. So this is how the jeans are gonna go into this packing cube, and then I'm gonna move on to everything else. By the way, there's a lot of new people here. My growth over the past week has been insane. So like this week has been like, it's been a mix of terrible and really, really good. And it's all because my shoelace hack video, it just like blew the hell up, and that one has over 1 million views, and I'm so freaking shocked. So if you guys are new to my channel watching this video and you came from that YouTube short, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Let me tell you, a lot of women like that video, but a lot of men thought it was freaking stupid. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna put in with my jeans is just gonna be like this really fluffy stuff. Like I showed you guys in my vacation haul, these sets that I picked up for vacation, I am taking them with me, but they're kind of like frilly and very like, I want to say puffy, so they're gonna take up a lot of space. I'm gonna add these shorts, and then I'm gonna add these shorts. These are my loungewear shorts that I love to wear all the time, and I'm gonna put them in there just because they're a little bit thick. Okay, so I just snapped in the things that it has, and this is what this first one is looking like. I have my jeans on this side, and then I have my lounge pants, and then the 2 sets up here. So next I'm gonna do the second big one, and for this I'm putting everything else. So I think I'm gonna be able to fit all of this stuff in here, you guys. Let's get our tops in here. So love this guy. I wore this only once this whole summer. I've never worn this because I never got to, so I'm gonna take it. Oh my gosh, if you guys are returning, if you guys saw my vlog for when I went to Tennessee, getting there was the worst. We missed our flight and had to wait for the next one a few hours later. We had to wait hours at the airport. You know how they have those monitors that tell you how long, like what time your flight is gonna board and what time it's gonna leave. I was checking the monitor to see what time it was gonna board. So I was like, okay, I got a little bit of time. I haven't eaten anything. I have a headache. I'm starving. So let me just go buy some food, right? So then when I came back in time for boarding what plane? The plane already left, and I was just like, what the hell are you talking about? So I went up to the guy who was working at the gate, and he was like, yeah, you guys were the only ones who didn't board. I was like, it said boarding time is right now, so how? Like, that doesn't make any freaking sense. There was a girl who we went to that was sitting at a desk, and she helped us, and I guess she felt bad, so she just put us on the next flight and gave us no issue. But like, come on, LaGuardia. But luckily I'm flying out from JFK. But yeah, do not sleep on these packing cubes. I'm taking bodysuits. Of course I have to take my 2 skins. I wore this to my cousin's birthday. It's like a sarong, and I can wear this as a skirt, or I can wear this to the beach, which is amazing because I don't really have cover-ups. So now I'm gonna close this one. Now I have all of my stuff that I wear during the day right here, like tops and dresses I have in here. And so here we go. We already have 2 packing cubes done, one with bottoms and the other one with tops and dresses. So now for this last cube, I'm gonna put all of my active sets and my lounge pieces. I'm telling you, this works. This freaking works. So all of my activewear, all of this stuff you guys are gonna see in a video too. I literally bought all new activewear pieces and I filmed them for you guys. You guys are gonna love it. We have a gym right across the street, and am I gonna go? I tell myself I'm gonna go, so I'm taking my stuff, but am I actually gonna go? I don't know. I also want to just stuff in here some like swim, just a couple of them. I really don't need too many, and I'm gonna put my swim in this little pouch. So here's another packing cube ready to go. The swim I'm just gonna throw in my, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I forgot I wanted to take this. Ugh, I haven't gotten to wear it out yet, so I'm definitely taking this. The shoes are done. So the next thing that I'm going to pack is going to be sunglasses, because I can't go anywhere without my sunglasses. I have a few of them that I like to wear all the time, and I actually bought this from Amazon, and it has a couple of sunglasses in here already. But it is this travel sunglass pack case, whatever. This is what it looks like. So it's just an organizer, and it helps so that your sunglasses don't get squished in travel, and I use this every single time that I travel. I hate packing so much. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys is actually really helpful, and I actually got from Target. I've gotten 2 packs of these already. I'm not going to show you everything. Oh wait, I bought a bunch of stuff that I want to show you guys too. I bought a bunch of stuff to put into this little pack right here. So these packs, I feel like I bought these for like either $10 or $15, and it literally comes just like this. It has a bunch of travel stuff in it. It comes with its own little travel shampoo and conditioner. It comes with its own travel razor, a little pack of 3 dental flosses. It also comes with body wash. Some of them come with face wash. So it comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with toothbrush. This one is kind of empty because I already used everything in my last one. So that's why I picked up just a bunch of things to take with me. I'm gonna take my travel size Kiehl's face wash. I absolutely love this face wash. I'm halfway through it, and I was just like, if I end up running out of this, then I'm gonna use this, just because I was at Target and it was there already. Then I also got these travel toothbrushes. Then I also saw this little travel like razor. How cute is this? It comes with its own little thing, which is great because I hate having razors just laying around in the bathroom. Oh, speaking of face, so I love this Thayer's Witch Hazel. It is so freaking good. This I love using because it takes everything off of your skin. Like, you would double wash with face wash or something and you would think that your skin is clean, but it is not clean. Like, you need this. You're definitely gonna see some leftover dirt or oils. Okay, so then I bought a bunch of these guys. So I bought 3 of these little Cantu curl activating creams because I need it. You see my hair, right? Joey also has curly hair, and he loves using all of my hair products on his hair. So I know he's gonna be using these up too. So I got 3 of them. And then the last little bit that I have in here are just chapsticks, because I always end up losing. And then my Angel Veil primer, and this one is perfect because it is because it is so tiny. Okay, so just to show you how everything fits in here, so this is my carry-on, and I stuffed it. So I have my big one right here, my other second size down right here, then I have the remaining like loungewear and stuff like that, and then I have my shoes right here, my sunglasses right here. I had a little space right here for my little toiletries. Then I close this up, and what I'm gonna put on like inside these little pockets are just gonna be my makeup, and then I think that's pretty much it. I think that's all I need, and I'm good. You guys, you see, I told you I was gonna be able to do this and fit everything for 2 weeks in just my little carry-on. These packing cubes and this method is perfect for me for if I'm traveling just for a long weekend, or if I'm clearly going on a 2-week vacation. I can do it. You just really have to focus, and these things help me not overpack, because if I can't fit it inside the packing cubes, then it's just not coming with me. That is pretty much it. You guys packed with me, thank God, because I'm always a last minute packer. I'm gonna be vlogging while I'm over there, so definitely look out for that. I can't wait to show you guys where I'm going, everything that I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and look out for my vacation vlog. It is going to be coming within the next couple of weeks. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.